Since there are a plethora of cryptocurrencies on the market, investors are asking whether the bubble is about to burst. Such claims, however, are exaggerated since the general population is still adapting to new types of currency. In fact, the more expensive currencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, will face stiff competition in the long run from Dogecoin and other altcoins. One obvious cause is Dogecoin's affordability and accessibility, which are critical factors to consider. The value of Dogecoin will increase once it is listed on major exchanges, such as Coinbase. Elon Musk expressed his support for the currency by tweeting that he would be collaborating with Dogecoin developers to improve transaction speed. This is important news for Doge because it shows that one of the world's leading CEOs is looking to improve how customers pay with Doge. So, how did we get to Elon Musk collaborating with Doge developers, and what are the long-term consequences for Doge? Let's find out. Hello, and welcome back to another Crypto Fire video. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away 1 Ethereum to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a message on your favorite cryptocurrency. Best wishes. Now, let's get started with today's video. Following a $300 billion crypto market sell-off triggered by Tesla billionaire Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, some believe that this is the beginning of the cryptocurrency's demise. The price of Bitcoin has dropped by more than 20% in the last 7 days, dragging down the entire crypto industry. And Doge has not been immune to the negative price and perception shift. Musk is a billionaire. Tesla, the self-proclaimed king of technology, has proposed a significant Dogecoin update, which he says is needed for Dogecoin to become the world's currency. This is fantastic news for Doge, which is incredibly inexpensive and has a huge community behind it. Demand for the currency will grow as transactions become easier to complete, and its price will remain well above the $1 mark. His goal is to shorten block time by increasing block size by 10 times, and increasing fee by 100 times. Then it would be without a doubt the winner. Musk referred to a tweet from a Dogecoin fan account on Twitter. For those who struggle with math, using Doge for payments is therefore more successful because its environmental impact is less serious than that of Bitcoin. The overall fees earned remain the same for 100 times the transaction volume and 100 times the prices. Musk added that for Bitcoin to become the world's currency, low fees and high volume are needed. This is an idea similar to one suggested by some Bitcoin developers and enthusiasts in 2017, which resulted in Bitcoin Cash, a so-called fork of Bitcoin that is better suited to a much greater number of smaller transactions. Musk, who said in February that none of his Dogecoin-related tweets should be taken seriously, had already boosted the price of Dogecoin last week, with a Twitter poll asking if Tesla should consider accepting Dogecoin as payment. He reported last week that, while Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin for car transactions, the company will look into other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. In a recent tweet, this names Dogecoin as a leading contender to replace Bitcoin. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, has expressed concern about the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions. According to his Twitter conversation, Doge hopes to cut block time in half, increase block size tenfold, and reduce fee 100-fold when it comes to system efficiency. This is also self-evident, since it costs less than $1 and can be used for a variety of transactions. Changes in Bitcoin's price are likely to worry most crypto watchers and investors, since they threaten to cause a drop in all other cryptocurrencies. If you look at the CoinDesk chart, you can see the big price reversal in Bitcoin. Bear in mind, however, that the prices of Bitcoin and Dogecoin have both dropped in recent trading sessions. To put this in context, the price of Bitcoin has fallen to $45,000, about $25,000 below its all-time high. This may be the beginning of a new bear run, or the end of bearish sentiment, but there would be an inverse relationship between Doge adoption and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now at its lowest point in a long time. Elon Musk's $40,000 weekend Twitter session, on the other hand, was far from over late Sunday evening. He sparked another debate in the cryptocurrency community when he replied to a tweet that said, "Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped." He later clarified that Tesla had not sold any of its Bitcoin shares. To this day, the tweet remains a hint that Tesla will sell off its Bitcoin holdings because it does not align with the company's values. As an electric car manufacturer, Tesla purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin earlier this year, And Elon Musk has continued to support Dogecoin while criticizing Bitcoin for its negative environmental effects. The prices of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, have recently fallen. Since the downturn in Bitcoin has been more severe than in Dogecoin and Ethereum, news of Elon Musk working with Doge developers is good news for Doge. He later tweeted that he was working with Dogecoin developers to boost transaction performance. Following that, he claimed that due to environmental issues, his electric vehicle venture, Tesla, would not welcome Bitcoin payments. To compete with Bitcoin, Dogecoin's transaction speed must be increased. Charles Hoskinson, Ethereum's co-founder, recently posted an 8-minute video on how to improve Dogecoin. He claims that Dogecoin is riddled with technical jargon that needs to be changed to streamline payments and improve transaction efficiency. Since 2019, Elon Musk has been advising Dogecoin entrepreneurs. A technical update is already in the works, according to the developers. Given the lack of full-time developers for Dogecoin, the currency skyrocketed last Friday after he announced it on Twitter. Many people would have been taken aback by the report, given that the coin's creators left the project in 2015. Several Twitter users praised Musk's comments. One of them said, "It's time." People started to notice. One responder said, "Dogecoin is here to stay." The Doge father has caused the price of Dogecoin to spike on many occasions. The coin hit a new all-time high last week as a result of his tweets and rumors that Musk would mention Dogecoin on SNL. Musk had previously offered them support, but Nickel, a Dogecoin developer, said that Musk had given them a lot of guidance, ideas, and contacts. Dogecoin was designed as a prank to ridicule cryptocurrencies, but fate loves irony, and he added that the most ironic outcome will be for Dogecoin to become the world's currency in the future. Recent innovations, however, have given Dogecoin a much more stable foundation. Although it's trading at around 35 cents right now, owing to the crypto market crash, there is a possibility that Dogecoin can gain back its momentum again. We don't know which coins will turn a profit and which will disappear into obscurity. As the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Dogecoin has a lot to live up to. The coin's value had dropped 19% in the previous week, but it also rose by about 15% the next day. At the time of recording, it's also a risky and extremely unpredictable investment. The lack of development in Dogecoin is a major source of concern, particularly given its meteoric rise. It lacks full-time developers. What if a data breach occurs in the middle of the night? Teams are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for other coins with lower market capitalizations. However, since the currency is being noticed by companies like Tesla, this may change. Coinbase's announcement this week that it will list Dogecoin over the next 6 to 8 weeks is a further boost for the currency. It was never intended for Dogecoin to do something since it was made as a spoof coin. It lacks a white paper and a specific intent, which has led to criticism of its usefulness. But this could change as it soon gains popularity as a currency, thanks to Elon Musk. As Elon Musk works with Doge developers to improve the currency's efficiency, it will gain acceptance in North America and Europe. The cryptocurrency markets may remain volatile, but as transactions become more efficient, the use cases for Dogecoin may grow. A number of websites, including Coinbase, as well as businesses, will support the currency, and it could definitely become the currency of the people in the next 5 years. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.